ready to transform your WhatsApp into a customer service powerhouse. First, log into your Wati account and head over to the automation section. This is where the magic happens. Click on Create New Flow to start building your bot. Give your flow a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. Now, design your bot's flow. Start with a welcome message. Know this is the first thing your customers will see. Craft a welcoming message and offer a few clear options. For example, track my order, contact support, or browse products. Add button nodes linked to your welcome message. Each button should represent one of the options you presented. Now, the magic will happen as you branch each option from there. For each button, create a corresponding reply node that answers the customer's request. This could be text, images, or even links. To really automate things, integrate Wati with your CRM or e-commerce platform. This allows your bot to access real-time data, like order statuses or product availability. Finally, test your chatbot thoroughly and analyze its performance using Wati's analytics dashboard. This will help you identify areas for improvement and optimize your bot for maximum effectiveness.